Hey, what is going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. Time to tune it back in. All right, so this is a lot of people, not a lot, a few people had an issue with the middle LED bar light right here. It stays on, but doesn't have a turn signal light going with it. So for that, the reason why it's like that, because it's plugged in with the tail lights here. So what you got to do is run this wire all the way down to this one, and we'll see what happens. So removing this is pretty simple, straightforward. Small gaps in this, put a pry tool in there, it comes right out. Remove those, remove this part, and then we'll go from there. All right, and taking the tail lights off, pretty straightforward. I'll show you guys real quick.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy K. I'm with my boy Redline right there.
Yo,
Working on my car real quick.
that's funny.
We'll see what happens at the end.
I'm taking this piece off, take the rubber piece out so you have more space to work with. This is how I tackle this, putting it right there, the pry tool, and come on, pops up, open. Looks like it was already open, one click, because it was that easy to drop down. So anyways, let's get to this side. 8mm bolts, take your socket, bottom for bottom, top for top, and let's open that up. And so let's do a plug and play over here. Let's play the game and see what happens. So we have to run this long wire that's coming from the LED bar light. We're gonna run it down, put it behind the liner, and we're gonna pull it out from this end. It looks like you had an opening here, but I'm probably gonna run it through here anyway. So yeah, we're gonna run it through there, and we'll plug and play. We'll see if the turn signals work. All right, so it's all connected. Plug and play, you can't mess that up. So I turn on the turn signal for this side, working, everything's working, reflectors working, and so it turns out that your signal will work. If you do the signal, this bar LED will work for sure. Look at that, you can see the lights going through. That's perfect. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side, and we'll check it out once it's done. Test it out real quick. You gotta give the hazards. There you go, they're moving. Nice. Just like that. Works, perfect. That's it, fam. Just plug the lights for that LED bar. Each harness, bring it to this tail light. Plug and play, not the inner one. And that should work. Problem solved. All right, so that's done. Nice. Do a left. There you go. Do a right. And then do the hazards. All right, put it back in park. Okay, hit the brakes once and let it go. Now hit the brakes and hold. Let go of the brakes. Alright guys, that's how it's gonna be like now. So that's it. Hey guys, if this video was helpful, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the bell icon to be notified on upcoming content. Appreciate the support. This looks fire, it's done.